Hello, my juicy jelly beans. Hope you're having a lovely and beautiful weekend. Let's Resin sent me these chrome powders which I've been cray to try. It's the Chrome series and the box brings 10 colours, but today I'm only going to use 7 of them. And I wanted to do a fun project which anyone can do. All you need is a few Q-tips and a mould. I'm going with the coaster, but this can be done in any type of mould. The colours I'll be using are gold, green, blue, royal blue, purple, pink rose and red. Grab a Q-tip and the gold pigment, dab a small amount onto the Q-tip and begin to create lines. Make sure to rub the pigment really well into your mould as we want a smooth finish. Then continue to the next colour and so on. Once you've completed it, use a soft blending brush to brush off the excess pigment. Next up, I'm going to use a needle bottle and fill it up with some Let's Resin UV resin. These black bottles are great as the light can't penetrate and spoil your UV resin. You're going to need a UV torch or lamp. I started off with a torch and ended up using my lamp. It's time to draw our pattern. You can do so many things. You could do flowers, butterflies, words, etc., etc., etc. I'm going for a spiral. There's something about spirals that just fascinate me. Make sure to cure as you go along. I forgot to press the record button. Sorry. Once I completed my design, I put it under my UV lamp for 3 minutes to cure. Then, with a wet wipe and some isopropyl alcohol, I began to clean up all the edges, leaving only the pattern I created with the UV resin. Make sure to do this gently, as we don't want to dislodge anything. But if you have any oopsies, just stick it back down with some UV resin. For resin, I'm going to use Let's Resin EPOXY 1:1 by volume. I'm going to go for a white background so that the pattern stands out more. I'm using a bit of white pigment paste, enough to make this resin opaque. Make sure to stir it in really well to avoid streaks and don't forget to scrape the sides too. I'm in the mood for some sparkle, so I'm going to add a few spoonfuls of this glitter that I have. This is totally optional, but you know you want to. Mix it all in and pour the contents onto your mould. This coaster takes about 130 ml. Make sure to go around the edges with your silicone stick to eliminate any trapped bubbles. Then leave it to completely cure. I'm going to leave it out for about an hour so it degasses, and then I'm going to put it on my heat mat. That way it will cure a lot faster. Big thank you to all my subscribers and channel members. You guys rock. If you'd like to become a channel member, there is a link in the description box and all proceeds go back into the channel. There will be a giveaway goodie bag when we hit the 5k. This has cured and it's ready to be demolded. As I'm rewatching this, I'm getting a pink overload with my silicone mat and my nails. Okay, here goes. I've got to admit that I do love the size of this coaster mold. Not too big, nor too small. Just perfect to play with. Yay! We got the rainbow with the chromes. I can see a dot where the colour didn't adhere properly onto the piece, but it still looks smashing. These chrome pigments are something else. I'm definitely going to be playing around with them some more. Keep watching for the end results. Toodles!